and welcome back. This is Carla Service with DIYY Dance. I hope you practice what we talked about earlier. I hope you turn the music on and let yourself go. I don't care if you had on your pajamas, if you were cooking in the kitchen and scrambling those eggs while you're moving. I just want you to move and explore your own body and allow your body to move and allow your body to groove, okay? So again, I want to welcome you guys back. This is DIYY Dance with me, Carla Service. I want to give some information pertaining to some basic movements, okay? So when you're dancing, especially if you're going to practice on your own and feel your body move to your music, to your grooves, understand that some movement is different from this other movement. So if I'm here standing in place, right now I'm bending my knees, okay? And this is like little baby bouncing. There's a difference between bouncing and jumping. So as a teacher traveling around the world, I'll ask a class, hey, show me a bounce, show me a jump. And you'd be surprised how many people will jump when they're supposed to be bouncing. So I want to give that example. For instance, bouncing, bend at the knee. When you're bouncing, it's as if you have a ball and you're bouncing that ball and you're bending down. If I'm going to jump, my feet are going to leave the ground and go up because I'm making a jump. A lot of times, especially for boys in dance class, they really love this because I go back to speaking of basketball. So if you are playing basketball and you were to do a shot, your body's going to go up. It's going to jump up. So you're going to jump. Some dance moves have jumps in them. Many of them have bouncing. So bouncing, you take that ball and you act like you are bouncing this ball and allow yourself to bounce with it. This bounce, you can take it everywhere. You can do a bounce all day long, the whole party, and different variations of a bounce. So right now you see me going side to side. I can open that bounce, close that bounce, speed up that bounce. I can jump that bounce, but keep on bouncing. Just bounce, bounce, bounce. Right now you're standing with me and you're simply just bouncing side to side. You can make it cute. You can make it bold. You can bend over in it. You can, don't you dare stick that booty out. But yes, you can stick the booty out while you're bouncing. But a bounce can take you a long way. Some people, especially my age, will be like, this is my spot right here. This is me all day long, just bouncing. So, okay, so this is a bounce, yeah? Moving forward, this is a step together. I'm just stepping. Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Yes, this is another move. This is me all day. Some people are like, hey, right? Step together, step, bring it back, step, bring it back, just step together. You can turn this step. Yeah, you can bend down while you're doing this step. All I'm doing is a basic move, which is step together, but you're gonna make this move yours. You're gonna put your own hot sauce on it. Your pepper, whatever it is, that's you. Whatever your name is, put you into this step. It's a basic step together step. Step together. I'm going forward and back with this step. Yeah, I'm looking, put a little more spice on it, but basically it's a step together step. And you can say that. Step together step, step together step. Yes? So right now we're kind of chill, but depending on the music, it might be a bit faster. It might be a bit harder, right? Step together step. You can do this all day. What if we step together step and then add a bounce? Step together step and bounce. Step together step. Now bounce. And let's play with the bounce. Take it low. I'm bouncing. I'm bending my knees. I'm bouncing. This is me all day. Me. Oh, check that out. I'm bouncing and step together step. Both of them together. Look at you. step together, step, step together, step, step together, step, and stop. Okay, so that's a step together step, right? And it was bouncing. Now there's also sliding. So if you were to slide, you're going to drag that toe on the ground. Okay, so we did step together step, but what if I said step slide? Step, slide, step, slide, step, slide, step, slide. Ha, ha, ha. You want to hear your foot drag on the floor. Step, slide, step, slide. Make sure you're sliding that toe. You're going to raise up the heel and only allow the toe to flow. Slide, slide, step together, step. I changed it on you, sorry. Step together, step. Now bounce, bounce, 2, 5, 6, step together, step, and 1, 2, 5, 6. Now slide, 1, 2, 5, 6. Bring it back to bounce and bounce, 2, 5, 6, step together, step, and 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, slide, step, slide. Slide. Where's your spice? What flavors are you putting on it? Bounce, 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 step together, step, and step together, step. All day long, step together, step. Slide in, slide, 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 slide. All right now, so this was a section to give you some basic moves that you can dress up. It's like putting on that basic dress, you know, that pretty black dress or the jeans, but you're gonna put that snazzy belt on it to bring it out a bit, right? Or you're gonna put that bracelet on and that necklace to bring out that dress. Kind of concept with your dance steps. This is a basic step. I can make this step look like this, or I can make this step look like this, right? So that's when you know you're putting your energy into it, your personality, and your own flavor, all right? So I'm gonna sign off for now. I'm gonna bring you back a little later. Make sure you guys come back with your music on and ready to go. This is DIYY, Dance Yourself Your Way with Carla Service. I'll see you when you come back. Keep dancing.